Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Ads conversion data for affiliate campaigns, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Conversions section found under the Tools and Settings menu. In the Conversions section, review the existing conversion actions related to your affiliate campaigns. Select each conversion action you want to backup by clicking on its name. Make note of the settings and parameters for each conversion action. Take screenshots of the conversion settings for visual reference. For a more detailed approach, export your conversion actions. Click on the Download button, usually represented by a downward arrow. Choose the format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Once downloaded, open the file to ensure all conversion data is accurately captured. Review important details such as conversion name, value, and counting method. Consider creating a separate document to consolidate your conversion strategies. Document insights or patterns observed from the conversion data. Keep the exported file in a secure, easily accessible location. Periodically schedule backups of your conversion data to stay updated. Consider using Google Sheets or another platform for real-time collaboration. Share the document with team members involved in the affiliate campaigns. Regularly review and adjust conversion actions based on campaign performance. Ensure your backups align with any changes in campaign strategies. This practice will help maintain an organized and accessible record of your conversion data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.